you
Yes,
take now?
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, yes,
I
I
can.
can, I can speak. Yes, thank you.
Yeah. Good
Yeah,
afternoon.
yeah. Good afternoon, ma'am. Thank you.
Please
Yeah,
introduce yourself.
yeah. This is my name is Babji. I am from Andhra. So actually, previously I was working in 4 years of in MNC in Genpact and SMChat. So now I am preparing to one of the course in SAP FICO. It's financial accounting. So I want to improve my communication skills as well as we need to improve that one because everyone is if you join the MNC company they have also, we have to require the communication skills. So that is the
Yes.
main thing, and as well as we need to important focus on the mail writing. If you have to communications is good, then it will be
Hmm.
automatically we have to interested to write the emails. Okay, that one
Hmm.
is okay. So first we need to improve. So like that one. So
Hmm.
I'm thinking that one only. So
Hmm.
previously I was worked in Accenture
Okay. Which city?
in Chennai location,
Okay, Chennai location. Which place are you from in Andhra?
Andhra, in Visakhapatnam.
Visakhapatnam. Okay, okay. So do you want me to introduce myself?
Yes, yes, of course.
Sure. Okay, my name is Shanta, as you know. I'm working as a tutor of spoken English. I teach
Okay,
as a freelancer. I don't work full time. So,
okay,
and I'm from Karnataka. There's a
okay,
city called Raichur in Karnataka. So I belong from there. And I'm a homemaker and I've recently started my YouTube channel. So as you know, so currently I'm working on my YouTube channel.
okay. Yeah, yeah. It's good.
What are your hobbies?
Yeah, my hobbies are every day. In as of now, every day we need to prepare the my as they said in class notes. In actually I joined in some in store. So as they
Mm-hmm.
said, so every day that is my hobby presently. Currently, I don't have any hobby to right now. So because of that
Mm-hmm.
one is the main thing to we have to probably to interview that is the thing. And yeah, that's it mainly my hobby currently. Yeah.
Mm. So did you do your BTech?
No, no, this is the BCom. I'm BCom.
BCom. So how did you land up a computer science job? So what did you
No,
work as?
this is not a computer science block. Every BCom and finance employee,
Mm.
they will be is the MNC company. There are opportunities to in accounts receivable, accounts payable,
Right,
GL
right.
related. Like in the people are doing to CA, right? So like that in
Mm.
we are doing in the accounting side in SAP FICO.
Mm. Right, right. So currently you're all the time you're busy doing this course, right?
Yeah, all the time because that one because of that one I quit the company in Accenture. So that was I was joined to last 5 months back. So that is the reason I quit that job. Also now I prepare to course and as well as communication skills and everything.
Mm. So then you will be
So
applying for a fresh job after
not
completion of
fresh
this
job.
course.
No, it's not fresh job. We have to try to based on like experience wise. So we'll see.
Mm. So you already have 4 years of experience, right?
Yes, yes.
Mm. So what
Yes,
is
ma'am.
your goal in life?
So like you have to currently I don't have goal, but I have one goal. So first we need to enter in the first company first in as well as I learned in one course right in FICO. So I entered that one company in MNC company. So that is the main thing goal. Then automatically it will be improved in so right.
Mm.
Yeah.
Mm. Right, right. And what are you doing in order to improve your communication skills?
So actually, I am doing regular activity like every day we need to newspaper. Every day we need to watch that some English videos like English movies are like Sadhguru motivation speaker like that. Everyone is there. Guru Gopala Das. Everyone is there. Na? So like that every day I watch it and listening and also reading also I sometimes not sometimes every day I'm reading that newspaper also.
Mm. Very good. That will improve your English also. It will help you
Yeah.
with grammar and vocabulary
Yes.
also.
Yes. Yes.
Mm. Right. So do you like to travel? Traveling?
Yeah, mostly I like travel. Presently, currently, I don't have any planning because right. So I prepared in
Mm.
course, so that's the reason I didn't I don't have any planning to any city any academy. Previously, I was last 1 week back. I was visiting to one city in Sri Salem. So it's a temple.
Mm. Yes, you
Yeah,
visited Sri Shailam. It's
yeah,
better
yeah,
to say I visited Sri Shailam.
yeah. I visited to Sri Salem.
Okay, okay. Yeah, that is very like it's close to Karnool, right?
Yeah, it's near to Karnool, and also we have to go Hyderabad. Hyderabad route also it is very good. So
Yeah, I've been to Sri Shailam couple
okay,
of times.
yep.
Yes, yes. Mm. So tell me about Chennai. How did you like the city?
I didn't understand what you say.
Tell me something about Chennai. You were working in Chennai,
Yeah,
right?
Chennai,
3 to 4 years.
actually, previously when I was in work, 1 minute, I will tell you that one. So when I was in working in 2019, I got a job in Centract. After 1 year completed, then I got to work from home because of the due to COVID. So
Mm.
after 2 years completed in Genpact, I got the opportunity to Accenture. So full of year in work from home, still completed to starting to end work from home in Accenture. So I didn't visit it to in an location. So
Okay, you never went to Chennai.
and I didn't yes never went to Chennai. Yeah.
Okay, okay, right. So now they must be calling you back, right? Now they do not provide work from home.
No, actually they are because of actually if you're not calling me, then I will do work. I will do work from home because they are calling to me again again. Actually, again I'm taking the already permission 2 months. Again they are calling to me, putting there. You play PUBG, you can come, you come like that. No, I'm not interested now. So because like that, I'm saying okay, then I will quit that job. I resign that one. So then I am learning the course.
Mm. Mm.
Yeah.
But someday you have to move out, right? If you want to look for another job, you have to go from your city to somewhere else. You do not want to relocate.
No, I do not. No, I no.
You don't want to leave your city and go out.
Yeah,
Okay.
because
Are
I'm
there
not
job
in city.
opportunities there?
I'm no other job opportunity also. I got it one two more opportunity, but that is a work from office. I'm not interested work from
Mm.
office because I currently work. I currently studying to what you call. I'm learning to some course, so I unable to do to manage the course and job. It is not good. So that's the reason
Mm.
I quit that job. If I work from home, then I will do. So later, I think so. If I work from also, it is very not possible to job and course to practice the work and everything. So that is the main thing.
Mm. Right.
Yeah.
So you completed all your education in Andhra Pradesh itself.
Yes, Andhra Pradesh in nearby.
Mm.
Right in Srikakulam.
Srikakulam. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Right. If you have any questions, you can ask me because I've been
Yeah.
asking you back to back questions. You can ask me
Yeah.
now.
Yeah. Actually, I don't have any coachings currently because I need to improve in communication skills. Because previously, I'm not in English medium. When I was in childhood time in first class, starting to degree, I am not in communication. I am not a English medium. I'm Telugu, purely Telugu. I don't have about in previously when I was in degree time also. I don't know about in English properly. So now when I came to in Hyderabad, that time I improved and I learned like improve step by I improved a lot.
Mm.
Yeah.
So did you do your graduation in Hyderabad?
No, in total in my nearby in my village only.
Mm. So why did you go to Hyderabad?
So because of job purpose, I came in Hyderabad.
You were looking for a job in Hyderabad.
Yeah. Previously, I worked in Genpact, then I came and I worked in 3 years of the work from home. So then I
Mm.
resigned. Then I came to Hyderabad now because of course purpose. Yeah.
So
So
currently, now you are living in Hyderabad.
yes, now I'm living in Hyderabad.
So you can get a lot of job opportunities in Hyderabad,
Yeah,
right?
but currently, yes, the opportunity is there because the market correction also is market restrictions also there right now. The present situation, current situation is
Mm.
also after I think maybe January or December they will be started to maybe exactly I don't know. Maybe they will start
Mm.
to new markets.
Right.
Yeah.
So what are the challenges that you're facing? in your communication skills, improving your
Yeah,
communication?
previously I have facing so many problems when I was joined to Genpact. So after completion of the Genpact, then I improved to in Accenture in lot. So
Mm.
yeah, so
So
many challenges.
how did you learn English in spite of being from Telugu medium? You know so much of English. So you're speaking to me continuously. So how did you learn your English?
Yes, uh, I learned because I what do you call, I regularly activities, I do everyday regular activities like newspaper, reading the newspaper, and also I visited to Meta English, and also I read that I watched the newspaper. Sorry, I watched the English motivation speakers, and also
Mm.
everything whatever is
Mm.
the required for required English subject. And
Mm.
I previously I was doing
Mm. So what about speaking practice?
speaking practices mainly. It's not good for me. I don't know. You can tell me it's correct or it's wrong, or I don't know about that one.
Yeah, it's
So
your English is quite good, but you need to practice, right? The more you practice, the more you will improve. So this is the main thing, speaking. So wherever
yeah,
you go, first thing you have to do, you have to speak.
speak, yes. First,
Hmm.
that
So
one
I
is the
would,
need important.
I would recommend you have to speak every day to someone at least.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Because there are so many people, right, who are doing sessions. So you can contact
Yes.
them and talk to at least one person in one day.
Yeah,
Because
actually,
watching, hmm,
I was talking to one of my friend. He is also like he is also he is also working to one company. He is also talking to every day. So like that only we are talking, discussing to every day.
right, at least 15 to 20 minutes of speaking practice you do. Because you're reading newspapers and listening and the writing skills, everything is there. But if it doesn't come in your speech, it is of no use, right? So
Yes,
if
yes,
after
yes,
learning all that, you have to speak. If you are
yes,
hesitant to speak to someone else, you can talk to yourself. You can
yes. It's
record
correct.
yourself
Yes,
in the
it's
mobile,
correct.
and then you will
Yes,
come to know where you're doing mistakes. But speaking
yes.
is very important.
Yeah, speaking is very important because in coming future is the speaking is very important,
Mm,
because we are working to after if not here we are working to after the coming future in MNC company. So then we are
mm,
working clients, right, in abroad, the
mm,
abroad people we are working. So we need to
mm,
improve what in the communication skills, I think.
right. Because even with local people, if you're not able to speak English, then understanding native speakers is very difficult. Then we'll be very
Yes,
nervous to talk to them or answer them. So I would
yes.
highly recommend you talk to different people every day.
Yeah, 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 sure, sure. Because I don't have any other people touch with them, so we'll try to speak in other people also. Because now I got it the number by God grace. I don't know, got it the say. I got it the YouTube channels. Like I searching for the everyday some new channels. So sometimes
Mm,
I got it, sometimes I will use that one. So luckily I got your email ID, so I will talk that.
mm. Yeah,
Yeah.
everybody would have, whoever is doing sessions, they will mention their email ID in the description box. So you can go to their link of the description box, there their email ID will be. You can send them a mail.
Yeah,
They'll
sure, sure.
definitely reply and you can connect with them.
Yeah, sure, sure, sure. We'll try to.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
Where are you working now? You are?
I'm working for another platform. It's just a spoken English platform online. So from there,
Okay.
I get learners and I teach them spoken English. We have
Okay.
sessions,
Okay.
15 minutes to half an hour sessions. So mainly I speak only spoken English.
Okay. I heard about one recording video. You were previously you were working in that one company MNC. You were working there, right?
I was working in IT industry because I'm a software engineer. So
Yeah.
10 years
Yes.
ago, 10 years ago, I worked in an IT industry for 2 years. But after getting married, I had to quit the job. I have to move elsewhere. So I couldn't continue IT job. So after that, I
Okay.
had my children. So all these 10 years, I was busy with them. So now I do not want to go back into IT job. So I'm
Okay.
working only as a freelancer.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Mm,
It's very good.
mm, right.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Any more questions or shall we end the session?
Yeah. Yeah. It's no. Yes. No, I don't have any questions. So
Okay.
if it is possible, can we maintain to what do you call So like every day we need to tell that one topic like 15 minutes or 30
Mm,
minutes. We can try
mm,
to make one sessions, or for example we need to take that one sim like what do you call tenses. So
yes.
we need to improve. It will be used for whoever is the watch the video, and it will be improved to
Mm,
me. I think you are also um, teacher, so you
yes,
also
yes.
suggested to me, so like that.
Mm.
I think
Right.
it is.
You have to work on your tenses, your past tense, right? How to proper make a proper sentence structure from
Yeah,
past
yeah,
tense.
and
You have to improve on that.
yes, sure,
Mm. Maybe next session I'll give you a topic and you can prepare and talk on that.
sure. We'll try to speak in the starting on to end. We'll try to speak.
Okay, sure. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay then. Thank you.
thank you,
Have a
ma'am.
good day.
Yeah, yeah.
Bye.